Where you from?
Wherever you're from.
I'm from the Bronx. Wait.
I want a chopped cheese on bread. I want a honey bun in the middle. Oh, Super Bond is back. What up, Dior? Can I shop at you? Get the fuck off, monkey! Damn!
You know what your nickname is?
What?
Nigger.
You got a tight ass headband on.
It's not tight, first of all.
That shit look tight. I bet your forehead got creases now.
Huh?
Can I ask you another question?
Yeah.
Would you smash or pass me?
Sheesh. It's your boy Nico and I'm back with another video. Now real shit, I'm not even gonna do a lot of talking because we're just gonna get right into this. Of course it didn't want to focus. I recorded this video a good day ago or probably like 2 days ago and I'm still editing it. But like as I was going through the clips, I deleted the intro, so I'm just recording a new intro right now because I'm like headed to the crib. But I brought my camera, so I took a quick stop to record. Yeah, like I said, I'm not gonna do too much talking because I'm tight because the intro got deleted, so this is the new one. But basically, as you can see by the title, yes, Monkey is back. You know, shout out Jordan for the idea. Might bake a little bit, so you know I'm gonna troll obviously, because you know when it comes to flaming, I do this, bro. I do this. I'm really a flamer. So make sure you like, comment, subscribe. If you're new to the channel, turn on that notification bell so you can find out every time I upload. If you enjoyed this video and you want more types of these videos, let me know, because yo, I could go crazy on Monkey. You feel me? I'll be about social medias. Hey yo, let's get it.
Yo.
What up with you?
Good.
What you doing? Dad. Hi. How you doing?
I'm straight.
So you just get a monkey to look at people, huh?
You're ugly as fuck. Hey.
Can I ask you 2 questions?
Go for it.
Why you got the red lights on?
Because I got them on. Is there a problem? Because it's demon
Why
time.
the fuck is you getting an attitude? I just asked you a damn question. I'll take that beanie, just stretch it, and let it smack your forehead. Why'd you do it? Hey. How old are you?
I'm 18.
Would you smash or pass me?
I'd smash, you're fine, period.
I ain't gonna lie. I look.
And you look good in that pink, period.
Bro, you're on the toilet right now? That's fucking
Does
gross.
this look like a toilet, you idiot?
It does, bro. You look like fucking idiots out on the
It's a
toilet.
fucking chair, you dummy. What the that face, right? Well, how you doing?
I'm good.
Can I ask you a question?
What?
Alright. My question is, if you could rate me on a scale of 1 to 10, what would you rate me? She better grease me.
7.5.
That's fair. Hey, beauty. That's smooth. Can I ask you a question? What would you rate me on a scale of 1 to 10? Huh? Why the fuck are you muted? I'm trying to ask you something. Alright, Velveeta or Kraft? You don't know, you ain't never eat macaroni, you fuck. What the somebody that can speak? Jessica? Ooh, Los Angeles. Fuck. Yo. Hey, Jessica.
What's up?
You smoking a blunt? Stupid. What's up, stink butt? Like, where you been at? You ain't hit niggas up in a minute. The fuck?
What's your name?
What if you skipped me and you just don't remember? Rochester. My question is, would you smash or pass me?
Smash.
Would you smash or pass me?
I don't know. I'm not gonna lie.
It doesn't have anything to do with that. It's just a question.
You want some?
You ever got punched in your face repeatedly? I'm gonna take a water gun and spray it at your face so your makeup washes off. Alright?
No.
If you could rate me on a scale of 1 to 10, what would you rate me?
A 9.
Would you smash or pass me?
You like you got big dick. I'll ride your face too.
If you could rate me on a scale of 1 to 10, what would you rate me?
A 10.
Hi. Sit your ass down. What you doing?
Why do black guys look so cute in pink? I don't know.
All messed up. Now it's all messed up because you made me do that shit. Now it's all messed up. The fuck, my nigga. Okay. What would you rate me on a scale of 1 to 10?
8.5.
Hi YouTube. Again, we meet again.
How about I pull up to the spot? Wanna choke?
You liar.
You want something?
Yo, go give your older sister her phone back. I know you hear me, dickhead.
Kinda cute. He's cute. He's cute. You're cute.
Hi, my name's Nick. My voice is not raspy, it's normal. Hey. What? Can I top that blunt? No. I should probably bunk anyway. Fuck you and your fucking skimp ass blunt. The fuck? Guess the.
So, how do you know my name?
Cause it's on here, goofball.
Ray Armoning. Oh.
Yo, what, bro?
I fuck with it.
I fuck with you.
I fuck with you.
I'm on the phone with these two niggas. Shout out, bro. We gonna ask them Velveeta or Kraft, cause I'm having a debate with these pussy ass niggas. They like Velveeta when Kraft is way better. Anything y'all gotta say? Nope. Huh?
Velveeta gang.
Velveeta gang, you already know.
That shit's crazy. All right, let's get it.
Yeah, J Montana, man. I probably should have said it earlier, man. I usually do. Fuck it. Pop me a perky, I'm off it. Pussy boy talking, he dead in the coffin. That nigga talking too crazy like Alice said. I put a hole in his head like a dolphin. Walk in the store and I cop it. I'm coming up, ain't nobody gon' stop it. Niggas be saying they ballin', I'm watching the cold, and all I just see is I'm fucking your thought. And I shorty a hoe, she a bop.